The Maytag MVW5035MW top-load washing machine allows you to add fabric softener during the wash cycle, so clothes come out softer and less wrinkled. Unlike some washers that release softener automatically through a drawer, this model typically uses a dispenser located on the agitator or requires manual addition at the correct time during the rinse cycle. Adding fabric softener properly ensures it mixes with water evenly and prevents residue from building up on clothing or inside the washer. Try these. Step 1. Open the washer lid and load your laundry into the drum as usual. Step 2. Locate the fabric softener dispenser on top of the agitator if your washer includes one. Step 3. Pour the recommended amount of diluted fabric softener into the dispenser cup. Step 4. If your model does not have a dispenser, wait until the rinse cycle begins and add the softener directly into the wash water. Step 5. Close the lid and allow the washer to complete the cycle so the softener distributes evenly through the clothes.